Visitors walking into a McDonald's location near Shanghai's Science and Technology Museum recently got a pretty unexpected surprise. Instead of just the usual crew behind the counter, they were greeted by a lineup of humanoid robots dressed in those classic red and yellow uniforms, looking like they'd stepped straight out of a commercial and ready to welcome customers. These robots were created by Keenon Robotics, and the standout model, known as the XMAN R1, moves in a way that's surprisingly close to how humans walk. The whole setup was part of a 5-day trial during the restaurant's grand opening in mid-March. The idea actually came from the museum staff, who wanted something eye-catching to bring in crowds and create a bit of excitement, and it definitely worked. People watched as the robots smoothly navigated through a busy restaurant, carrying trays of food from one table to another without dropping anything. That might sound simple, but in a packed space full of people moving around, it's actually pretty impressive. The robots rely on built-in cameras to detect obstacles and adjust their path in real time, which is how they manage to glide through all the chaos without bumping into anyone. After the trial wrapped up, John Banner, McDonald's Global Chief Impact Officer, clarified what was really going on. The robots weren't taking orders or replacing employees. They were there purely to entertain customers and add a bit of futuristic flair to the opening. Inside the restaurant, the vibe quickly turned playful. Smaller robots zipped across the floor, catching the attention of kids who ran after them, while parents pulled out their phones to snap photos. Even the cleaning robots joined in, quietly moving through the crowd in simple black uniforms, ready to handle spills on the spot. They didn't draw as much attention, but they got the job done efficiently in the background. As for the cost, these machines aren't cheap. Humanoid models like the XMAN R1 are estimated to be around $100,000, while the delivery and cleaning robots are likely much more affordable. Still, this wasn't about replacing people. McDonald's made it clear this was just a short-term promotional experiment, carefully limited in scope. For now, the human staff isn't going anywhere, and the robots are more about creating a memorable experience than changing how the restaurant operates.